How to log into your Aflac account. Welcome back everyone to this new video of How to Guide. In this quick tutorial video, let me show you the quick process of logging into your account of Aflac. Search for aflac.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you're on its website, you can see a login or register button on the top right. If you hover over it, you can see all of the accounts that they provide. Pick the account that you have and it's going to take you to the login section. From here, you'll need to first type in your username in the first box and type in the password in the second box. If you have forgotten your username or the password, you can recover them by clicking on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Once you type in both of these information, you can click on Login and you'll be immediately logged in to your Aflac account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.